This is the first Tecno Camon device that I can call a true flagship phone, the Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G. Everything about this phone is great, from design to display quality to performance and the cameras. I love those cameras. Tecno even included wireless earbuds in the box. 12 GB of RAM, 70 watts fast charging, stereo speakers with Dolby ATMOS, 512 GB of internal storage, a metal frame, Gorilla Glass protection. Tecno plus 10,000 steez. The Camon 30 Premier design might be my favorite design of this year. I like the look of the rear cameras. It's giving professional camera with that camera zoom ring design. I'm quite taken by the faux leather finish. It's pleasant to the touch and conveniently resistant to fingerprints and stains. While there's an alternative silver color that is also attractive, I find myself drawn more to this one. It might not look like it, but it's a unibody design and the frame is made of metal. The box includes a stylish case with a gold ring around the camera, but I think the phone looks better without it. The red dot next to the cameras is not just for aesthetics, it also lights up during video recording, voice assistant usage, and it serves as a charging status indicator. The Camon 30 Premier features an optical fingerprint scanner beneath the display, which works very well. The power and volume buttons are located on different sides of the phone. The bottom houses one of stereo speakers, a Type-C port, and a dual SIM card tray. Although there is no slot for a memory card, the 512 GB of internal storage should suffice. The top features a second speaker grille and an IR blaster, allowing the Camon 30 Premier to function as a remote for your household appliances. The display of the Tecno Camon 30 Premier is impressive. It surpasses a 1080p display with a resolution of 1264 by 2780, making it a 1.5K display. The device features a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate using LTPO technology, boasting a remarkable peak brightness of 1400 nits. The bezels are incredibly slim, offering an expansive viewing experience. The display excels in vibrancy, contrast, and color reproduction typical of AMOLED displays. The display is also sharp, making content consumption and gaming enjoyable. With 1400 nits of peak brightness, the display remains highly usable even in direct sunlight, making it ideal for outdoor use. I would like to talk about the cameras next because I really like the cameras on the Tecno Camon 30 Premier. The Camon 30 Premier features 50 megapixel cameras across the board. That's right, every camera, including the selfie camera, boasts 50 megapixels. It includes an ultra-wide camera, a wide camera, which is also the main camera, a 3x telephoto camera, and a selfie camera. Video recording capabilities reach up to 4K at 60 frames per second on both the front and rear cameras. Shots from all the cameras are sharp and detailed, with nice colors and contrast. I'm glad there is a telephoto camera on here, and I love the portraits taken with it. The telephoto camera is so good. Selfies also look great and they are really sharp, although air detection missed my fingers here.
Hey guys, so this is what video looks like from the Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G, shooting in 4K 30 FPS. This phone can go as far as 4K 60, but I think 4K 30 is the ideal resolution and frame rate. So what do you think of the video quality? It's a 50 megapixel selfie camera. So how is the details of my face? How is HDR? Look at the tree there. This is really good. Tecno did a fantastic job with the cameras on this phone.
The Tecno Camon 30 Premier comes equipped with the latest Android 14, operating on Tecno's iOS version 14. As typical with transient devices, it offers numerous software features such as floating windows, smart panel, game mode, app twin, and even the ChatGPT powered Ella voice assistant. Unfortunately, the Camon 30 Premier also includes several unnecessary bloatware apps that come with ads. Fortunately though, these can easily be uninstalled. The performance on the Tecno Camon 30 Premier is excellent. As mentioned earlier, it features 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate 5G, a 4nm processor that provides outstanding performance. I haven't encountered any lag at all. App opening speeds are impressive and multitasking is seamless. Although the 12GB of RAM can be extended to 24GB, it's not necessary. You really don't need it. Performance is not an issue for the Camon 30 Premier. Gaming runs smoothly, and I doubt there's any game that will cause this phone to lag unless it's highly unoptimized or you somehow manage to run 2 instances of Genshin Impact simultaneously. Here are the Geekbench and Antutu scores for those who are interested in benchmarks. This is how the Camon 30 Premier compares to last year's Camon 20 Premier. As you can see, huge improvements. The Camon 30 Premier comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is sufficient for a full day of use. It supports 70 watts charging, and the 70 watts charger is included in the box. Charging from 0 to 100% takes just 45 minutes. The Camon 30 Premier is a great device, and it's solid in every aspect, from build quality to performance to the cameras and charging speed. The Camon 30 Premier 5G is a true flagship, and it comes with a flagship price, 685,000 naira. So, how many are you buying? I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoots, and you'll see me in my next video.